सो सीरीज को कंटिन्यू करते हैं. दिस इज एपिसोड नंबर 6, बिजनेस अवेयरनेस एंड करंट अफेयर्स. फर्स्ट न्यूज है, इंडिया एट टॉप इन emission related to crop burning. Climate tech startup Blue Sky Analytics published its report on emission related to crop burning. In the report, India has been ranked at the top position. Tata AIG announces launch of RPAS insurance and distribution tie-up with Tropovo. Tata AIG Insurance General Insurance announced the launch of remotely piloted aircraft system RPAS insurance and distribution tie-up with Tropovo. Tropovo has successfully established an integrated marketplace providing a one-stop shop for the complete drone ecosystem. RBI penalizes Paytm, Payment Bank and Western Union Financial Services. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) imposed a monetary penalty of rupees 1 crore on Paytm Payment Bank for submitting information that did not reflect the factual position. The central bank has also imposed a penalty of rupees 27.7 lakh on Western Union Financial Services for non-compliance with Money Transfer Service Scheme (MTSS) direction. AMFI appoints Balasubramaniam as chairman. Balasubramaniam was appointed as the new chairman of the Association of Mutual Fund in India (AMFI). He is CEO of Aditya Birla Sun Life Asset Management. Scientists create most detailed map of Uranus mysterious Aurorus. Scientists have imaged the whole globe Uranus in the infrared part of the light spectrum for the first time, hoping to shed light on planet mysterious Aurorus and weird magnetic field. Truth Social, Donald Trump new social media platform. Former US President Donald Trump launched his own social media network called Truth Social. This platform was launched after Donald Trump faced ban from Facebook and Twitter. CoinDCX in 2021 robes Ayushmann Khurrana. Cryptocurrency exchange CoinDCX announced that it has signed actor Ayushmann Khurrana as the face for its latest campaign, Future Yahi Hai. The drive is launched to address key concerns surrounding crypto investment among the Indian audience. India at 71st on Global Food Index 2021 out of 113 nations. India was ranked at 71st position in the Global Food Security (GFS) Index 2021 of 113 countries, but the country lags behind its neighbor Pakistan and Sri Lanka in terms of food affordability. India First Life introduces endowment plan Saral Bachat Bima. India First Life Saral Bachat Bima plan is a competitively priced plan that helps in saving for your future financial needs. It secures your family future in case of an unfortunate event. Furthermore, it offers yearly guaranteed additional accidental death benefit in first year, funeral cover along with no medical test and quick processing all under one roof. OnePlus promotes Navneet Nakra as India CEO and head of India region. Smartphone maker OnePlus elevated Navneet Nakra as its India CEO and head of OnePlus India region operation. South Korea launches first homegrown space rocket Nuri. South Korea launched its first homegrown rocket Nuri in its bid to join the race for space exploration. Also known as the Korean Satellite Launch Vehicle 2, it took off from Gohyong. It puts 1.5 tons dummy satellite into orbit. Partnering with South Korea, India seeks to export K9 howitzer to third countries. India is seeking to export the K9 self-propelled howitzer to third country in cooperation with South Korea. India's Secretary for Defense Production said, stressing his country is pushing for a win-win partnership between the two sides. Realme appoints K. Rahul as brand ambassador. Chinese smartphone brand Realme appointed international cricketer KL Rahul as its brand ambassador. The cricketer will endorse its smartphone category, the company said in a statement. Realme partnership with the athlete It said reinstate its brand ideology of being youth oriented. UN set up special trust fund for people's economy in Afghanistan. The United Nations had set up a special trust fund to provide urgently needed cash directly to Afghan through a system tapping into donor fund frozen since the Taliban takeover in August. India among five countries with most extreme heat exposure. According to a Lancet Countdown report, India is one of the five countries in the world whose vulnerable population had the most exposure to extreme heat over the past 5 years. And this exposure is increasing. Yet, like many countries, India is underprepared to prevent, mitigate, or treat the health effect of climate change. Wipro signs multi-year strategic IT digital deal with National Grid. Wipro Limited linked a multi-year global IT and digital deal with UK-based electric and gas utility provider National Grid for expediting its digital innovation journey. Flipkart launches a skill building academy for e-commerce logistics sector. E-commerce firm Flipkart is setting up a digital learning academy to upskill thousands of students every year. The Supply Chain Operation Academy (SCOA) is Flipkart's ambitious project and commitment to providing relevant industry training and knowledge to help create a pool of skilled supply chain operation talent in the country. This will further help bridge the skill gap and create employment opportunity in the expanding supply chain industry in the country. Adidas ropes in Deepika Padukone as global brand ambassador. The sportswear retailer Adidas has announced its partnership with Bollywood actress Deepika Padukone who will endorse Adidas women globally. The move comes as it builds a stronger brand silence among female shoppers. CII organizes international conference and exhibition Future Tech 2021. The Confederation of Indian Industry (CII) organized an international conference and exhibition on digital technologies Future Tech 2021, a journey of digital transformation to technology adoption and acceleration. The focus theme of international conference is driving technologies for building the future we all can trust. So this is all for today. I hope वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो और अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक करना एंड कोई सजेशन हो तो कमेंट में ज़रूर बताना. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.